Good morning, children, and once again, welcome to your political science class. Children, today we are going to study one chapter from your political science book, and the chapter which we will study today, that chapter is federalism. So, first of all, you should know that what is federalism or what is the meaning of federalism. Federalism, you can say, that is a form of government in which the government is divided in two levels. One government is for regional people, and one government is the central government, which is for the whole country. So, whichever country has two or more levels of government, we can say that the country practices federalism, or in other words, we can say that the country has a federal form of government. For example, our country India. Our country India practices federalism. How we can say so? Because if you see the structure of government in India, you will find that one government we have which functions in the center, or you can say in other words that it functions for the whole country from the center, and one government we have in state also. In India, in all the states there is a state government, and for all the states, or you can say for the whole country, there is a central government or the union government. So in this way we can say that our country India practices federalism, or we have a federal form of government. Federations are actually divided in two parts, or you can say in other words that two types of federations are there. One is coming together federation, and the other is holding together federation. So first we will see that what is coming together federation. In coming together federation, what happens? All the states, all the independent state, they voluntarily form a bigger unit, and the states and the central government have equal powers. This coming together federation, you can see, is practiced in USA, Australia, and Switzerland. The other form of federation is holding together federation. What happens in holding together federation? A large country decides to divide its power between the states and the central government. The central government is always more powerful than the regional state government. Some units have special powers, different constituent units have unequal powers. And this kind of holding together federation we find in India, China, and Belgium.